Hi guys, this is Oxtail, and I'll show you guys how to cut this into a piece by using my tools right here. Alright. Alright. Just gotta make sure there's a small piece like this for your oxtail laulau.
So guys, let's get started. What you're gonna need is a bag of oxtail and a package of taro leaves, also Hawaiian salt, but you can also use regular table salt if you don't have any Hawaiian salt. Next, you're gonna need a steaming pot, and you just fill the pot with 2 cups of water. So what Jason's doing is he's basically just cutting the stems of the taro leaves. Now you can actually add the taro on the stems of the taro leaves. Some people do and some people don't. Our preference is to just cut them off.
Yeah.
This certain dish, which is famous in Hawaii, it's actually a staple dish for many Hawaiians. These actually are pretty expensive when you buy them at the store already made, and they come in plate lunches. And especially for this particular dish with the oxtail, oxtail doesn't come cheap, so they actually sell them for $15 a plate lunch.
Okay, well, shut up.
So if you want to be on a budget and know how to make your own, this is the way to go. So just make sure that you rinse the leaves.
Yeah, I just gotta rinse it out really good.
So Jason just pulled out some foil. Usually for laulau, when you steam the meat, you use tea leaves, but because we don't have any tea leaves right now, we have to improvise with the foil. Okay, so Jason's gonna get started. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna add 2 tea leaves on top of the foil. 2 tea leaves is good enough for 1 oxtail. Depending on the size of the oxtail, you add in a pinch of salt. If the oxtail size is a little bit bigger, then 2 pinches of salt would be good. I mean, it's just to your taste preference. If you don't want too much salt, then you don't have to put a lot of salt. And so when that's done, just go ahead and wrap it with the foil. And that's it. Do another piece.
This one right here, oxtail.
Because of the size of the oxtail, 1 oxtail should be good for 1 laulau wrapping. This is all the wraps that Jason made. So now we're gonna throw it into the steamer. So yeah, Jason put 2 cups of water in here. So now he's gonna add in the laulau.
Oh, I don't know if you get room.
There's room. So there are 2 ways that you could cook laulau. One is this pot here, which is the pot steamer that's over the stove. Or the second one is you could use a crock pot. The only thing with this pot steamer is when you reach the second hour, you would have to add in a cup of water because the water tends to evaporate. So you just want to make sure to keep an eye on that. So yeah, we just add that in and it takes 6 hours for it to steam. Also guys, make sure heating level is at medium low. Hey guys, it's just about done.
Here's the result.
Oh, there you go. Buenas.
Buenas. Oh guys, this is it.